Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Note 17 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will show you a bunch of toggles, and next locate the power saving or battery saver, whatever it's called. We have a battery saver. Second page. Once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this window with a quick message. So battery saver turns off dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. I'm gonna click on turn on, and there we go. It is now enabled. Now to turn it off, once you're done needing it, you can just find the toggle once again and just simply tap on it once more. And this will obviously turn it off and revert all the changes. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.